branch library. Today we're going to make a lava lamp using oil and some other materials. There are many ways to do this, so have fun experimenting, and I hope you enjoy the video.
For this project we'll need a few different items: vegetable oil, baking soda, vinegar, Alka seltzer, water, a glass or a jar, some paint or food coloring, and maybe something to stir everything. For this first project we're just going to eyeball it. We're going to fill the glass up about 70%, 75% of the way with just the vegetable oil, maybe more like 60%, and then we're going to put a little more water into it just so that the glass gets about 80%, 85% full. You can see it fills up rather quickly. We're gonna stir it up, but you don't have to do that. I just like doing that for some reason, but you don't have to. You can skip that step. You can also add colors if you want, food coloring or paint. But I'm just gonna go ahead and drop in one Alka seltzer tablet and see what happens. I'm just gonna break it in half, drop it in there, give it a couple seconds, and then you'll start to see it bubble up and fizz up, and looks like it's working its magic. So the first project was pretty good, but now we're going to measure things. So we're going to use 1 cup of vegetable oil, a 1/4 cup of vinegar. You can see it starts to kind of fizz up or bubble right away, so pour it a little slowly, a little more slow than I did there. Then I'm going to stir it again because I like to do that, but you don't have to. Now you can put your food coloring or your paint, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to try this red paint and see if it does anything, but I think food coloring is better, so if you have that, go ahead and use that. Again, I'm going to stir it, but you don't have to. I think it's actually better if you don't, because then you can see the bubbles of the food coloring in the oil. Now this is a teaspoon of water and a teaspoon of baking soda mixed up, and you can see it fizzes right away, and the bubbles actually look a little bigger too compared to the Alka seltzer. It looks pretty cool. You can't see the color though, so food coloring is the way to go, I think. We're going to do this one more time, just use the rest of this vegetable oil. That's about a cup, I'd say, a little more than a cup. And then this little blue watercolor water I have over here was from an earlier try. I'm going to put a little bit of that. I think I put a little too much. I think if you go easier on the water, you'll get some better bubbles. And then I'm going to actually drop in 2 tablets of the Alka seltzer, and you'll see it fizzes up real quick. But the nice thing about this is it actually lasts for a couple minutes. I'm going to stop the video sooner than that, but it will last longer than the other tries we had. So it looks pretty cool. It looks different, and it looks good in person. The fun thing of doing this project is that you can experiment and do what you think is best and what's the most fun.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you stop on by Casual, don't forget to say hi.